Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to add page numbers in a document using Microsoft Word. Page numbers are very useful for reports, assignments, and professional documents. Let's begin. First, open your Word document. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Insert menu, look for the Page Number option. Click on Page Number. You will see several options such as Top of Page, Bottom of Page, Page Margins, and Current Position. If you want page numbers at the bottom of the page, select Bottom of Page. Then choose the style you like. As soon as you click the style, page numbers will appear in your document. You will notice that the numbers automatically increase on each page. If you want to close the editing area, click Close Header and Footer at the top. Now scroll through your document and you will see page numbers on every page. And that's how you add page numbers in Microsoft Word. Subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical Word tutorials.